Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create external objects in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup and from there, we click here, we go to setup and we need to search for external data source. So let's just type data source and then we will find the external data source. So from here, we need either you can connect to Amazon Dynamo if you have already, or you can just choose any external source. So from here, you will need just to add a label, my source, and you can give it a name from here, and you should add the type of it. Should it be a simple URL, an SQL server, or anything that you have? So let's just give, for example, type SQL. You can choose any type that you have. For example, we can also choose a federated search, and then we need just to provide URL of the searching. So from here, you will need just to add the URL for your source, and the connection timeout means if it's past 20 seconds and it didn't connect, it will cut the connection. And of course, you can add these and you should add the certificates. So of course, you can choose from the certificates that you already have. If you have already some kind of certifications or some identity type, and then you will need just to click on save. So from there, let's just add something uh, and we click on save, and basically it should start with this, and we will click on save and we will have our external data source. So from here you will need after that to validate in sync, and if you have everything that is working, it should validate in sync, and now you can have your external source. So basically, as you can see, my status cannot load my source because of course the URL is wrong, and that's why. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.